Kenya is a very beautiful city, no doubt about that. And I want you to know that Kenya has not only gotten Nairobi, which is the capital city, there are also beautiful cities and towns scattered all over Kenya. I give it to Kenya. A place like Malindi, Eldoret, Kisumu, Embu, Meru, Lamu, which other one now? Naivasha, Mombasa, Nakuru City, Nayuki. They have so many other places, beautiful places in Kenya. You see, in this video, if you are planning for your forthcoming summer break, summer holiday with your family, I want to redirect you to Kenya. If you don't have Kenya in mind at all, I want to redirect you to Kenya. This is Kenya. And you see, if you are a Nigerian, this video is actually meant for you. Okay? You want to book from Nigeria to Kenya. So I will teach you how to apply. You don't even need the services of any travel agent. In the comfort of your home, taking your phone or your laptop, you can apply for Kenya eTA, okay, from Nigeria. So how to do it in 2026, that is what I'm about to tell you. My name is Yomi Adu. I'm the CEO of Europe Travels and Tours. This is what I talk about. I talk about Africa, African countries, and I talk about Africans. Africa is a very beautiful country. It's a very beautiful continent, I beg your pardon. Let us celebrate our continent. Let one love bind us together from the north to the south, to the east, to the west, and to the central. We supposed to be one. Let's be united. That is when we can have a very solid African continent together. So let's go into the video. Have you been dreaming of Kenya? The wildlife in the Masai Mara, the beaches in Mombasa, the energy of Nairobi, but you are sitting there in Lagos, Abuja, or Port Harcourt. How do I even start the visa process? You are thinking about that. Now, I've got great news for you because Kenya has made it very easy for Nigerians. You don't need to visit any embassy. You don't need to queue for hours. You can do everything from your phone or laptop. In this video, as I said earlier on, I will walk you through step by step how to apply for the Kenya eTA from Nigeria in 2026. And I'm also going to explain it like you are traveling for the very first time. No jargon, no confusion, just clear instructions. If this is your first time on this channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Let's get into the video right away. First things first, what exactly is ETA? ETA stands for Electronic Travel Authorization. Think of it as Kenya's digital entry permit. It has replaced the old e-visa system. So, if you have heard people talk about Kenya e-visa before, that's the old name. In 2026, it is called ETA, Electronic Travel Authorization. Okay? Now, here's what you need to understand. The ETA is not a visa. Can I repeat that? The ETA is not a visa in the traditional sense of it, you understand? You don't get a stamp in your passport before you travel. Instead, the Kenya government approves you electronically and you print out a confirmation to show at the airport. For Nigerians, the ETA allows you to stay in Kenya for up to 90 days for tourism, business, or visiting family. It is also a single entry. You understand? It's a single entry authorization, meaning that if you leave Kenya and want to come back, you will need to apply again. I want you to take note of this. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months before your date of arrival in Kenya. And you need at least 2 blank pages in your passport. Please check this before you do anything. Now, let me walk you through the application process. Grab a pen, and paper or just pay close attention. Step number one, go to the official website of Kenya. Hmm? The website is www.etakenya.go.ke. I'm going to drop it in the description, okay? So that if you want to copy, so that I can go straight, please, I beg you, use only the official government website. There are fake sites out there that will charge you extra or steal your information. You understand? That is step number one. Step number two, click on apply now and create an account. You will need a valid email address. Use an email you check regularly. You understand? Because all communication will go there. Step number three, fill out the application form. This is where many people get stuck. So let me break it down. You will need you will need to provide all this. Your full name exactly as it is on your passport, exactly as it appears on your passport. Your date of birth, your nationality. So in this case, Nigerian. Your passport number, date of issuance, and expiry date. Then your intended date of arrival in Kenya. Your port of entry. Are you flying into Jomo Kenyatta International Airport in Nairobi or Moi International Airport in Mombasa? Okay. Then you have to also fill your accommodation details, the name and address of your hotel, or if you are staying with a family, their address, you have to put it there. Step number four, upload your document. These are the things that you need to do. You understand? A scanned copy of your passport biodata page. That's the page with your photo and personal details. Make sure it is clear and in color. A passport photograph is also needed. Recent one, white background, no glasses, no head covering unless for religious reasons. Your flight itinerary also or booking confirmation. You don't necessarily need a paid ticket yet, but you need to show your travel plans. Okay? So also proof of accommodation, hotel booking or invitation letter. Step 5, pay the application fee. As of 2026, the ETA fee for Nigeria is $34.90. It is roughly around 50,000 to 55,000 naira, depending on the exchange rate. Payment is made online with your debit or credit card. Make sure your bank has enabled international transactions or the payment will fail. Step number 6, submit and wait. You will receive a confirmation email immediately. Processing usually takes 3 to 5 working days. That's like 1 week. But I always advise applying at least 2 weeks before your travel date. Okay? Just in case there are delays or they ask for additional documents. Are you getting it? So what happens after you have been approved? Once your ETA is approved, you will receive an email with a PDF attached. Print at least 2 copies, one to keep with your travel document and one as a backup. When you arrive at Jomo Kenyatta or Mombasa Airport, what do you need to do? Just present your printed ETA approval, your valid Nigeria passport, your return flight ticket, your proof of accommodation, and evidence that you have enough money for your stay. This could be a bank statement, you understand, or cash at hand. The immigration officer will verify your details, possibly ask a few questions about your visit and stamp your passport. Welcome to Kenya. Karibu Kenya. Also, starting from 2024, Kenya requires proof of yellow fever vaccination, but that one we don't need it any longer. Since this might be your first time in Kenya, let me quickly give you a few quick tips. Are you getting it? Can I do this within 1 minute? Okay, let's see. One, Kenya is 2 hours ahead of Nigeria. You understand? So if it is 10 a.m. in Nigeria, it will be 12 noon in Kenya. Number two, the currency that they use in Kenya is called shilling. shilling. And 1 naira is equivalent to 0.09 Kenya shillings. It's like saying 10,000 naira is equal to 900 Kenya shillings. You understand? So take note of that. Number three, Kenyans are warm and welcoming. They try to learn a few Swahili words. Learn Swahili language, something like Jambo. Jambo means hello. Asante sana. Okay, it means thank you. Okay, number four, try out Kenya food. You understand? Yamachoma. I love that one. That is, grilled meat, what we call suya in Nigeria. Okay, they also have ugali. Ugali is like maybe our own tuwo in Nigeria, like our swallow. You understand? And they have different vegetables also. There's this very one, I think skuma wiki, very beautiful. When you come to Kenya, please make sure you try this. Then number five, make sure you have at least one Kenya friend. So that by the time you return to Nigeria, you will have somebody you will be speaking with in Kenya. Look, let me tell you, when you come to Kenya, the temptation is always there to, go back to Kenya. Just like me, I always want to come back to Kenya because Kenya gives me peace that I want. It gives me the vibes that I want. It makes me feel at home. So, guys, if you find this video helpful, I want you to please smash that like button, share it with someone who is planning a trip to Kenya, and drop a comment below. Okay? So, have you been to Kenya before? What was your experience for those who have been to Kenya? Or do you have questions about the ETA, which I just explained? Ask me, and I will surely get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to Travel Africa with Otumba Yomiadu for more travel guides, travel inspirations, and so on. Africa is beautiful. That has been my item. I keep saying that all the time. And it is waiting for you in particular to explore it. Until next time, travel safe, travel smart, and travel Africa. Asante sana, and God bless you.